you ever dismissed something only to realise later that you should have tried it sooner? I know I have. Hi everyone, I'm Garry Paul. And if you're looking to build a smarter reselling business, then you've come to the right place. Today we're going to start building your blueprint. Last time we talked about sharpening your axe. Today I want to show you something that helped me to sharpen mine. I'll be honest, when I first heard about ChatGPT, I wasn't really interested, to be fair. I've been buying and reselling on and off for over 20 years. I've always wrote my own listings. I've always done my own research. In fact, I've done everything the traditional way. Then one day my son came to me and he said, "Dad, just give it a try." So I did. The first time I used it, I wasn't impressed. It just gave me an average listing like I was writing a sale. And I sat there and I thought, is that what all the noise is about? Really? Then looking back, I've realised now that ChatGPT wasn't the problem. I was asking it vague questions and expecting brilliant answers. Then something happened. Instead of trying to test ChatGPT, I started to learn how to use it properly. I uploaded photographs, I gave it more information, and I explained what I was trying to achieve. And suddenly everything changed. Right, here we are in ChatGPT, and I just want to show you how quickly and how easy it is to get ChatGPT to create a good enough listing to put on eBay and Vinted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a couple of photos, and this is from a pair of Levi jeans. I think I paid about £5 or £6 for these, and I'm just going to grab a full-length shot of them. The opening, because obviously you get zip and button-up flies, the label that has the measurements, and the Levi tag on the back. Just click on open. Loaded properly, you just click the arrow button. What it's doing now is analysing the images. It will do a search through ebay.co.uk and .com if you set this up right. Here's the listings it's given us. It's given us Levi's 512 men's slim stretch through jeans. It's given a really good description. It's also put in the condition here, and just a little thing I put at the end of my listings is that I ask them to review the photos because that's the item they will receive. And it's given an average used listing price of $32.99, average sold price over the last 30 days, and then it gives you a recommended buy it now price to put on it, or if you wanted to slightly undercut the average price, it'll give you that as well. And that's how good ChatGPT can be if you learn to set it up correctly for the items you're selling. Yeah, pretty impressive, wasn't it? It was for me when I first saw what it could do after I learned to use it properly. But this is the really important bit. It didn't happen because ChatGPT suddenly became more clever. It happened because I finally started giving it what it needed. ChatGPT hasn't replaced my 20 years of experience, and it's not going to replace your experience. It simply helped me to use those 20 years of experience more effectively. That's a huge difference. In the next part of building your blueprint, I'm going to show you why some people get amazing results from ChatGPT, while others get complete rubbish. And once you understand that, everything starts to fall into place and everything starts getting easier. I hope you found today's blueprint useful. So until next time, keep listing, keep learning, and keep building.